Parrot's beak is a unique round shrub with whimsical pendant branches and leaves and flowers that unmistakably resemble a parrot's beak. The leaves, in their comical way, mimic a parrot doing a joyful handstand. Vibrant and green, they bring smiles effortlessly. The yellow blossoms are like mini parrot beaks hanging upside down, creating a perpetual garden carnival all year long. This charming, low-maintenance, sun-loving plant adds a touch of the tropics and endless whimsy to your garden. It's a butterfly magnet. Parrot's beak grows fast and is an excellent choice for garden centerpieces or live hedges. It's water-wise and handles dry spells gracefully. This laid-back plant doesn't demand much, letting you sit back and enjoy the tropical vibes in your garden. Looking to add more Parrot's beak to your life? We offer these large plants online at toptropicals.com, delivered to your doorstep. Get ready for more smiles and enjoy your own lovebirds.